Hey everyone, welcome to Learn with Namrita, episode Fix That English. English is a global language with over 2 billion speakers. That's a lot of people and a lot of opportunities for mistakes. Let's start with an easy warm up question. Who makes mistakes? 100% of everyone. It's important to be aware of these mistakes. It's also important to be non judgmental. No one is perfect 100% of the time. First, we have two, and two. These words might sound identical, but trust me, they are about as similar as apples, oranges, and pizza. To is a preposition. I'm going to the store. Two means also or excessive. I ate too much pizza. And two is a number. I bought two pizzas. Now, question, I have dash many books, so I'm giving dash boxes, dash the library. Yes, so first we will have TOO2, then TWO2 boxes and TO2 the library. All these three words are homophones. To know more about homophones, you can check the previous video. Now we have THEIR there versus THERE there. THEIR there shows ownership, like their dog is adorable. And another there refers to a place or existence, like look over there. Now question says, dash house is quite far, so we can't walk dash. Think which one is the correct option? Yes, the answer is B. THEIR, their house is quite far, so we can't walk there. There is a location. Another question, we have dash number, so we'll call you if dash selected to participate. U''RE and YOUR are not interchangeable unless you want to confuse your readers or sound like you have time traveled from the 18th century. Here is the rule. U''RE, you are. It's all about actions or states. But YOUR shows possession. Now think which one can be the correct option? Yes, the answer is we have your number, so we'll call you if you are selected to participate. The next UR is contraction for you are. Now coming up, next question on the screen. There are less black pens than red pens. Is it true or false? False. The correct statement is there are fewer black pens than red pens. This was a trick question. There are more red pens, but the sentence used less instead of fewer. Now another question is coming up. Be ready. Dash are best friends. Me and my sister, I and my sister and me, or my sister and I. Which is the correct option? The answer is my sister and I. This might be the most common error that English speakers make. An easy way to tell is by taking away one of the people, my sister, and testing the pronoun alone. Another question, street racing can be real dangerous. Drive safe. What do you think? It is correct or incorrect? It is incorrect. The correct statement is street racing can be really dangerous. Drive safely. Adverbs usually end in ly, but not always. When describing an action verb or adjective, make sure to use the adverb. Next question is, I'm going to dash down because I didn't sleep dash last night. Lie, good, lay or good, lie well or lay or well. Answer is, I'm going to lie down because I didn't sleep well last night. They are often confused, but you have to choose lie, lie down. And second error is of adverb. We use well to describe actions and good to describe nouns. So here we will use well. I slept well. Another question. Can you spot error? I would have left earlier if I had known you were already there. There is an error in this statement. Which is wrong? Yes, would have. I would have left earlier if I had known you were already there. So nice work. That is a wrap on today's grammar adventure. Remember, practice makes one perfect, and soon you will be breezing through these mistakes like a pro. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with your fellow grammar enthusiasts or your friends who really need to learn these rules. See you next time. Bye bye.